Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete a YouTube playlist. Please consider subscribing. Open your browser and search youtube.com. Go to your profile icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Playlists. Go to this icon to edit in YouTube. Click on three dots, then select Delete Playlist. Then confirm it by clicking delete, but I don't want to delete it, so I will click cancel. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.